on the vlog.
So the plan of today is I want to get an instant camera. I've seen online that the Fujifilm ones, they're supposed to be quite... Oh my god, we almost got run over.
Yeah, because they cycle on the pavement here in Japan.
So they're supposed to be quite affordable. So we are just heading to, I already forgot how it's called, Denden Town, which is basically the area in Osaka where it's all electronic shops, and it's supposed to be like very fun, a lot of like arcades with games and all this kind of stuff, because I want to have Polaroid through all our stay in Japan. That would be so nice. Hey, how many times does it feel that we are the only people in this city?
It happens quite a lot.
Isn't it?
We're the only tourists.
Yeah, like I think every day we see maybe 4 Western people. Interessant. Well, let's head towards one and we check if there is a map. There we go. Wait a second. Yes. So we need to go there. We are here.
Yeah.
So necessarily we need to change in Nagahori-bashi. Easy. So now to know the ticket that we need to buy, basically, we need to find out the fare. Ebisuko K18. K18 Ebisuko, so it costs 180.
Yeah.
So we need to buy a ticket for 180. But
do we need to buy
2 tickets or 1 ticket? That's the thing. It could be that it's connected and we don't have to come out, but if we have to come out of the tube, then we need to get a new ticket. But you know what I will do?
Because it feels like a subway system. You should be able to buy to Ebisucho.
Yeah, exactly. I feel like I will buy at 180, and then in case it's not possible, we just buy another one.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So let's buy...
Let's check otherwise what we need to change. That's 180 as well, so it's the same ticket price.
Exactly. So let's just buy an 180
All
one.
fare information will be displayed in
One
English.
person. Ticket 180. We made it!
Yes, walk.
So it was actually, when you take the subway, you need to put the destination of where you go, and that's the final price. We didn't have to pay anything extra.
It's very easy, the underground system.
Now we made it to Denden Town. We start to see all these electronic shops and stuff. I know that there is like a big shop that you find all over Japan that is called Bic Camera. And that's supposed to be like the biggest electronic shop. So first shop has it for 8,680 Japanese yen, which is about $100. I think I saw it somewhere for $60 or $70. So need to keep hunting. Turns out that in Denden Town there isn't Bic Camera, so we need to go to Namba now. Seems like to be the only one, or at least the closest one.
You know, I'm a sucker for red grape juice.
Yeah.
Now I'm trying the white grape for the first time.
We are trying new things from the vending machine.
To be honest, it tastes like the red grape.
Oh really?
But with a lighter aftertaste, something. But haven't you looked enough on these?
You never know if you find something, you know, like a little gem. This one you can even get a mug.
The mug is like this big.
Yes! I suppose this place is good. There we go! Or Alright, let's have a look. 7,380. How much did it cost in the other one? Do you remember?
860 something.
So it's already cheaper. And look, they have all these different... I want to get also those things. Different kind of paper for the... You see, for the picture to come up. So all this shopping developed a certain appetite, and we decided just to go back to the restaurant that had a long queue.
We hope that it's a shorter queue now, but it's just a queue full of locals.
Exactly.
So it has to be good.
It was all locals.
Place.
And I got some nice goodies that I'm gonna show you after when we finished to eat. We are gonna go towards like a little park or something that will show you. We have no idea what we're gonna eat.
Or how much it costs.
How much it costs. The girl in front of us has like a newspaper with different dishes, so I don't know if they found it in a local newspaper display. And I checked the menu in front of the door. I will show you when we arrive there. There are like 4 pictures of like dishes that it looks like mince, but no price or anything. Sumimasen. Expensive? Much money? Noodle? Udon? Udon. Ah! Oishi. And by the way, those are like the 4 dishes that they serve. That's pretty much it. So there was a flag, like kind of curtain thing hanging out here. She came out.
And the door has been opened.
No, the door was closed the whole time, yeah. She came out, she took inside the the curtain. So we are thinking that it might be closed, or maybe they ran out of food because they're supposed to close at 2:30, it says there. People are still waiting, so I don't know. Maybe she said a number of people that they could come in,
Yeah, maybe.
and then the other ones left. Otherwise, no one behind us will be still waiting here.
That's very
This struggle continues. What are you gonna get, Vincent?
I don't know. They look the same.
I think I'm gonna get that one.
What do you think the difference is?
I think that's with the noodles, you can see. Those two, that's with tofu. You see? I don't know the one in the middle. But that's interesting as well, the rice with egg.
Delicious.
I'm so full. Oh my god, it was so good. It was like super duper simple. Like a simple chicken broth, the udon noodles, and then it was this sort of beef on top. But it was like so delicious. And I was telling Vincent, imagine if it's like winter and it's so cold outside, and then you come inside there, it's like super small and cozy, and you got this super hot soup. It will be amazing, but it was super tasty. And when we got inside, we saw that they had this Michelin star prize for like maybe 4 years in a row or something. I think it's so charming how, like, not charming, but like so, how can I say, interesting how they didn't put that outside to attract people.
Yeah.
You know, they
true.
just had it inside, so you will never know if you just walk out. So now we are heading to, how is it called, the temple? Tennoji?
Tennoji.
Tennoji. So we just grabbed maybe some drinks, some crisps. So it's starting to rain and we are still kind of full, and we bought some stuff to have like a little picnic. We'll see how this is going to develop. You see? So cute. And it's a cat. Are we going up here?
Yeah.
Nice. What is that? Did you see it? Is it a mini cat? Oh my god, guys. Where did he go?
And I think he lives in there.
But what is it? In that hole? But was it a
Because I
cat?
saw him come around here. No, it wasn't a cat. I don't know what it was.
Was it like a furry thing?
Yes.
Furret or some?
Something like that.
Wait, look, there is a cat. Oh my god, this is an
is
interesting. We just wanna look. Oh no!
Yo.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Are you kidding me?
Oh my god, what's happening?
No!
I want to come.
No! It's a samurai cat.
He jumped over that gate. You can see the feather.
I thought that he was aiming to that little ferret. He looks mean. I don't know if I like cat anymore.
Unreal.
So we just arrived to this park that is where you find the Osaka Zoo and also the Osaka Modern Art Museum.
Municipal Museum of Art.
That's right. It looks already so beautiful. We just entered, like literally, that's the parking lot. Oh, how much the camera doesn't give justice. And it smells like wet grass. So nice. Let's just walk around. Oh, see, they have some closed areas there. So even if it rains, we can be there and just have a drink.
Get drunk. Cut that off.
Nope. I got this drink that is like a very, very popular one. I see everyone on Instagram, on YouTube drinking peach, of course, because they're obsessed with peach in Japan.
I got a Japanese local IPA.
Alright guys, we just changed position because the man next to us, he was somehow meditating, I don't know. So we
Or
didn't-
listening to podcasts.
I think it was meditating. So we didn't feel like disturbing him talking. But I wanted to show you that I got my Instax.
Instax.
So I actually got the camera, then I got 3 different kinds of, I don't know how you call this, films maybe? One that is stripy, one that you can write at the bottom like something, and one dotty. And then I got like a little album. So it's just like so simple like this. And the whole thing came up to 9,988 yen, which is around 125 Australian dollars. Which I think is pretty good deal if you think about it. Like the camera, 30 picture and the album. We have our first Polaroid. I don't know if it's successful or not.